Okay, well, so far with crime, we are done with crime right now in terms of the major crimes. But I am happy to report that we had made 2 arrests for 2 of the recent major crime, one that occurred in September and one in October. In September, we had the death of Mr. Patrick Ochuk in Pueblo Viejo village, where he was allegedly um, injured by his son, who was arrested and charged. Thereafter, he was arrested and charged last week on the 27th, no, because of our investigation. He was arrested and charged for manslaughter and remanded to the Hattieville prison. We also had an unfortunate incident at our borderline at a bar in Halakte, where we had the murder of Justo Martinez, and that occurred on the 17th of October. And but two days after, on the 19th, we had the arrest of Miss Evangelina Ack, who she was arrested and charged and remanded to the Hattieville prison.
Do you have anything else to say or any words for the general public?
Well, first off, I would like to applaud our police officer in the entire Toledo Police Formation for a job well done. We are doing excellent so far, and I want to thank the public for their continued support. And also, I would like to encourage, and give a some warning to the members of the public to continue to use your face mask and adhere to the COVID regulations. Especially when it comes to the social gathering, I know we have activities. Well, the month of November 19th, where Punta Gorda tongue is Garifuna tongue, and we want to have a lot of activities, but that is not possible right now for us to have the public activities, so just bear with us until we are over this COVID hump. And likewise, as we move on closer to December, we would like to advise people to be cognizant of the fact that we are still not at that level where we can move about freely. Still protect yourself. If you leave your area, call or advise, and be able to keep an eye out for you. I know PG is still very much considered peaceful, but we still got to take necessary precaution.